Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Reolink camera ownership and sharing links, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer ownership of a Reolink camera, start by select the camera you wish to transfer from the main device list. Tap on the settings icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll down to find the device management option and select it. In the device management section, look for the device sharing option. Here, you will see a list of users currently sharing access to your camera. To transfer ownership, select the user you wish to transfer the camera to. You will see an option labeled Transfer Ownership. Tap this option to initiate the transfer process. Follow the prompts to confirm the transfer of ownership. The new owner will receive a notification about the ownership transfer. Once confirmed, the new owner will have full access to the camera and its settings. Next, to share device links with another user, go back to the device sharing section. Tap on Share Device or Add User depending on your app version. Enter the email address of the person you want to share the camera with. Select the permissions you wish to grant them. Permissions may include live view, playback, or device settings access. After setting the permissions, tap on Send Invitation. The invited user will receive an email with a link to access the shared camera. Once they accept the invitation, they will be able to view the camera. You can manage or revoke access at any time in the device sharing section. Review your shared devices regularly to ensure proper access controls. That concludes the transfer and sharing process for Reolink cameras. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.